Hey, this is Tyler from TSJ Electronics. In this video we're going to show you how to attach your legs to your logic board. So your logic board, if you bought it prefabbed, came with one complete board, a set of screws, and a set of legs. It also came with a set of batteries, but we've already installed those in here. We've made sure our board works. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our two legs, we're going to take our bag of screws, we're going to dump them out. We're going to grab a small flat Phillips head screwdriver. So in order to put the legs in, it's pretty simple. All you got to do is you take the board, put the leg on like this, and then screw it through. The front of the board is here, the back of the board is here. These are the bottoms of the legs so that when it's standing it'll show you nice like that. So we take our leg, put the screws in. All we got to do is find a hole that it goes into, and then we just got to get it started, and then it's very easy from there. So I'm going to take my screwdriver, just get this started. And once it starts to thread, you can put the other screw in, and then make sure you get it started. Okay, so now that both screws are started, I'm going to tighten them one by one, not all the way. You tighten one about a quarter of the way, tighten the other one about a quarter of the way, then you tighten the other one half or almost the whole way, and go ahead and tighten one pretty much fully, and then they're both tightened. Go ahead and make sure that they're both tight. Now you just need to tighten these until you can't tighten them anymore without cranking it, because you really don't want to, you don't need to apply much force. Just tighten them until you see that the board is flush with the legs, and the screws, when you go to tighten it, it's not going anywhere. That's all you got to do. You don't have to crank it and strip the plastic and all that. So on the other side, same thing. We're going to put both screws in. Now that both screws are in, we're going to take our leg, and we're just going to get one screw started. And then once that one's started, it's really easy. Okay, that's one started. So now we've got our leg. Put the second screw in. Get that started. And just like with the top one, we just screw them in a little bit at a time, because you never want to tighten one side fully without tightening the other side. So just screw them in pretty evenly. And then once one's almost in, just go ahead and tighten them both fully. Okay, so now our legs are on and everything's tightened, and we have a beautiful logic gate. Thank you very much. See you around.